Hey guys, welcome back again. Thanks for watching our previous video. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys comment on this one as well. So in my last video, I showed you um something on Robodoki that I bought. I tested Payload out. Pick one of the Payload on Act 5 and we tested it out. So even if you remember on the last video, I showed you this particular tree about the Bashburn. I bought both of them, but just texting this one out. So this one is just like a flash drive. All you need to is just copy or paste the payload you want to use. So let me show you how it looks like. So it starts a switch here. So it's more like on three, or it has three more. So this one, this is the first one. The first one, the middle one, and the last one. So the first one to the edge here is the army mode. So you can plug it and use it for, any other purposes. But if you want to use it for an attack, we have to choose to either the middle or the far right. So it has different switches, switch 1 and 2. So the middle one is the switch 2, and the one on the far right here is the switch 1. Once I plug it, you understand it much better. One waiting, so let's say this connected. Okay, we have a connection. So you go to the C-bash value. So this is the drive, there's a flash drive. So this is what we want to use the switch 1 and talking about here, they are switch 2. So here we can place our payloads here and all that. So I already have a payload here that we're going to use. So basically what this payload will do is to open this website or any specific or any particular website you put here to automatically open the website on the device once you plug it in. And that is basically what it will do. So it can open any URL or any website you put here. So we use facebook.com as a sample, so I'm going to close it. Now I'll close the payload button. So you can find the payload here on their GitHub page. So this for Bashburn, these are Bashburn payload that we have about them here that you can pick from. So, but we're just using this Android as example open URL. So that's where I copied it. So we don't need to build any payload here for the payload studio. Or you just want to copy the payload and put it on the payload notepad that I just showed you. So we're going to move the flash drive now, and I'm going to connect it to all of my mobile device here. We'll see how it works. So I think we call it go is now. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do now to switch you to switch for army mode and take it to switch 1, which is the one on the far right. So it's now ready to be used by an attack. So I'm going to plug it on this adapter here, and I'm going to use this adapter to plug it to my phone. What to use? I want this one. This mobile device is a Samsung S21 Plus. So you can see. So what I'm going to do is to plug it, and let's see how it will work. So it shows going. Let's see. You see, it's basically open Chrome. Just type in the website we put on the script, and yes, you can see it's loaded the website on the front. So these are the solution of this in this bash bundle. There are a lot of other ways you can use these tools, but still try to learn more about it as well. So just to like show you guys how this tool is and how we can use it for all other related type of testing, physical testing or rating and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just keep looking out for more videos like this. As I'm testing I'll be showing you guys how these tools works. So once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.